In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add numbers in Smartsheet using a formula. Whether you're managing a budget, tracking expenses, or simply summing totals quickly, this approach will be your go-to tool for getting the job done efficiently and effectively. To get started, open your Smartsheet document where you'd like to perform the calculation. Now, focus on the columns that contain the numbers you want to add up. It's important to have clarity on which specific column you'll be summing, as this is crucial for ensuring accuracy. Once you have identified the right column, choose a blank cell where you want the total to appear. Make sure this cell is not in the same column you're going to sum. If you try to place your formula result in the same column, you might end up with a cumbersome circular reference error, which could disrupt your entire sheet. Now that you have selected the correct cell, it's time to enter the formula. The formula you'll be using in Smartsheet is straightforward. Type an equal sign followed by the word sum, all in uppercase. Immediately after, insert an open parenthesis. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of entering individual cell addresses, type the name of your column enclosed in square brackets, a colon, and then repeat the column name within square brackets again. Finish off by closing the parenthesis. So, it should look something like this: equals, sum, open parenthesis, open square bracket, column name, close square bracket, colon, open square bracket, column name again, close square bracket, and close parenthesis. Once more, ensure that you replace the placeholder, column name, with the actual header of your desired column to get the desired sum. As soon as you've entered this formula, press Enter. Instantly, Smartsheet will calculate the sum of all the numeric values within that specified column, presenting you with the total in the selected cell. This method is especially useful because it automatically updates whenever you make changes in the column, like adding new numbers or modifying existing ones. It essentially keeps your data dynamic and accurate without any extra effort on your part. Remember, while this is a fantastic feature to sum numbers swiftly and efficiently, always double-check the data you are referencing. Sometimes, sheets can get complex, leading to errors if you're not careful with your cell and column selections. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to harness the capabilities of Smartsheet for adding numbers. I hope this has been helpful and that you feel confident to go ahead and implement this in your own documents. Feel free to pause and revisit any section of this tutorial as you go along. Thank you for watching, and happy calculating!